you're sort of where I need to be. Okay. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Murphy. This is my dog Ted. Say hello. Hello Instagram. This isn't Instagram, this is YouTube. Oh, I look really silly now. That's okay. Anyways, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I'm going to be going through some more Christmas crafts for you. I'm going to be showing you how to paint some of these wooden ornaments I got from an Irish company called Crafty Cuts. They're really nice, they're just like laser cut ornaments. And I'm going to paint them in all different designs. I'm going to do some for my friends as well that I can just post in the letterbox. So let's get started and I hope you like this video. So here is a look at the decoration up close. It's just a flat oak veneer. I gave them a very quick sand first and then I started masking tape. You'll notice on all the baubles I've taped off the top of it. I'm going to gold leaf them later, so I just wanted to keep them free from paint. I'm doing stripes on this bauble and I'm using Tamiya masking tape. It's just super thin masking tape and I'm using a method that I always use. I put down one stripe and then I use another tiny piece of tape as a spacer so they're all equally spaced out. And then I put on my next stripe. It's super simple and super effective and I'm doing that for the entire bauble. The next one I'm doing a random geometric design using the Tamiya masking tape again, and you can just see I'm putting it wherever I want really. For this bauble I'm doing like a crisscross and all I have to do is the same spacer technique, but I'm using a bigger piece of tape and I'm doing it both horizontally and vertically to get this look. You can also do thick stripes like I'm doing here. It's also very effective. And this is one of my favorites actually. Super simple, I just did a zigzag, so no measuring or anything. For these baubles I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint from Revamped Furniture. I'm using this because it dries super quickly and it doesn't need many coats, so it's super great coverage. And you'll just see I've got some really nice vibrant colours. I coloured in some of the baubles entirely and other ones I sort of did an ombre effect, so I'll show you more of that later, but here I am pulling off the tape. The Tamiya masking tape is actually really good, but I did use it with like a wet paintbrush a couple times, which I should definitely know better, and it did leak and I didn't really push it down either because I was just lazy. I just had a lot of these to do and I think I sort of like ran out of steam. But you'll see a lot of mistakes I make later. Here is a close-up of the turquoise with the wood on show. I really like this colour with the wood and you can see how crisp these Tamiya masking tape lines can be when I make an effort, so I'm super happy with that. And I love this effect too, this is just sort of half painted. Here I'm showing you how I gold leaf the top of these, so I just masked it off on both sides. And then I'll get out my metal leaf size. This is the only glue that works with gold leaf. So I just did that on both sides, let it dry until it went tacky and then applied the gold leaf and just rubbed it off then with a blusher brush I use. I'm not great at gold leafing, but I think these worked out pretty effective. That is it. Here are some of my favorite designs. I love how each side is different and I love the contrasting colors. I actually just reused some ribbon from some packaging of an order I got the other day, so it works out really well. I think it matches really nicely as well, so that was just a win-win situation. I hope you like them and I hope you try them out at home. Make sure you subscribe and tag me if you do try these out at Colourful Zaz.